let Chandrayaan land on the moon and we'll start our career journey. Just 100 meters. Just about. We should be starting the session any moment. Let the Chandrayaan land on the moon. History will be created in 30 meters. 27. Absolutely, Arjun. Congratulations. It's a victory. All right. Thank you, everybody, to be part of this historic movement. Thank you very much. Congratulations to one and all who have participated with me in this historic movement. So thank you very much. Few lessons for each one of us. Never give up in life. I mean, earlier projects were challenging. And things were disappointing, but the team never gave up. Always be persistent and patient to the success. And just the cool-headedness in which the ISRO chief has carried on this operation is just commendable. And I think in our life, in our career, this is something which each one of us should.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.